Chapter 3.
Plants and Animals.
We know that plants and animals are living things. We have also read about the common characteristics of all living things. However, plants and animals are different in some ways. Let us learn more about them.
Difference between plants and animals. Movement. Animals can move from one place to another. Plants stay fixed or rooted to the soil. They remain at one place. Food. Plants make their own food with the help of water, sunlight and air. Animals cannot make their own food. They either eat plants or the flesh of other animals, cows, goats, sheep, camels, horses, and elephants are some animals that eat plants. We call them herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals such as lions, tigers, leopards, and jackals eat the flesh of other animals. Omnivorous animals such as bear and crow eat both plants and animals. Breathing. All living beings need to breathe air in order to survive. Animals must take in oxygen in order to use up the food to get energy for body functions. Most animals breathe through their nose. Fish breathe through their gills. Insects such as cockroach and mosquito breathe through the air holes present on their body. Frogs and toads have lungs, but when they are in water, they can also breathe through their skin. Plants do breathe. They give out carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen from the air that surrounds them. Plants, however, do not have lungs or nose, so we cannot say that they breathe in the same way as animals do. Plants breathe through tiny holes called stoma on their leaves. Feelings. Animals have sense organs such as ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin to feel and make better sense of the world around them. Plants do not have sense organs. Reproduction. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. Plants reproduce through their seeds, roots, stem, or leaves. Interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals depend upon each other for survival. They depend upon each other because each provides something the other needs. This is known as interdependence. Interdependence for food. Plants produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis. All animals get their food directly or indirectly from plants. Some animals eat plants while some animals eat the flesh of other animals. Some animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Decomposers such as bacteria, worms and fungi feed on dead plants and animals. In the process, nutrients get released into the soil. These nutrients are used by the plants for healthy growth. Thus, the process goes on and on. Carbon dioxide and oxygen interdependence. Animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Interdependence in reproduction. Flowers help a plant to reproduce through a process called pollination. The flower has small particles called pollens which help in reproduction. When bees and butterflies sit on the flowers to suck the nectar, pollens stick to their bodies and are carried to other flowers. Thus, insects help the flowering plants in pollination and get nectar in return. Interdependence in seed dispersal. The process by which seeds of plants get carried away from place to place is called the dispersal of seeds. While animals get food from plants, they help in carrying and dropping the seeds from place to place. Thus, they help in the growth of new plants.